Hello, people. Right now, this is my fifth video of the day. I don't know, I just feel so happy saying this, yeah, because it's like somewhere there's a motivation to like complete as many videos. So, today, right now, I'm reviewing the movie called Ravan, RA1 Ravan, and it's said to be one of the most expensive films by Red Chilli Entertainment. And the thing is, this movie, though it had good music, and Akon, he made that, he was also I'm sure like big bucks were spent to get him to, there's this a song featuring Kareena Kapoor. But somewhere this movie, what I felt about Ravan was they weren't sure about their target audience. I mean, the adults felt it was for kids. Kids weren't too keen. They felt it was for adults because you had these. I don't know. There was a lot of hodgepodge. So I think, to be really honest, I'll give this movie a two-star rating. But if you were to look at Kareena Kapoor and individually, all of them did their best. And in fact, even Sanjay Dutt in the opening scene, his guest appearance, which was like really sweet, yeah. So yeah, but sometimes, like they say, right? I mean, if the no matter how good the packaging, if the sweet box, if the mithai dabba itself is rancid, I mean, it's stale, then it doesn't. It's not like movie was stale. In fact, it was something very new that was attempted. That it was so new that it the audience didn't really understand what it's all about. So luckily, it's a movie that was made quite some time back, and Red Chillies then went on to give us some very nice movies like Chennai Express and all. So these things happen. It's a learning curve. So that's it, people. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.